Yep, people, you know it's your boy Crystal Beer, and today I represent for Dancehall Reggae Vibes. And we're there we do another one. So what you know? You know that, getting work within this society kind of rough, economical wise and all these things. From the big C go on, you don't know. A whole lot of people take on to YouTube and take on to TikTok as a means of income, right? You don't know YouTube are the ultimate, you find something you love, a passion, you create your content, you put it up, and you meet their monetizing requirements, and once you reach there, then you will be monetized, and then them send a piece of food, and big up Facebook, Instagram, and all of these other social media platforms. But this one, that one never forward from what they may I tell you, after the big C, before the big C, but you have the clock in your house, and when you look on the hand them, a tick, tack, tick, tack. Yeah, people, me I talk about tick, tack. Yeah, so you know you can do over there. You can meet friends, family. You know you can build up your community. It doesn't matter what you do. You can be a comedian, because enough comedian boss. You know what I mean? Through TikTok. You can be an artist. You can be a dancer. Big up rebel. You see me I say? Yeah. There's so many opportunities. There's so much information and so many things that you can learn and do on TikTok. TikTok get the raw information. You have people who take time out of them days to reveal certain energies to you, like, to break it down so you get a full understanding of what it is. Seeing? So TikTok are one of them places the way multifaceted. Right? So you have famous TikTokers who are on TikTok. You know what I mean? I do them thing and I put in them content and it's working for them. You know what I mean? World Dog, you know what I mean? Yeah. Swiss Lee. You see what I say? And much more. Much more. So that one comedian, yeah. Lately go on with a little act where I want you to tell me, people, if you consider it as a scrupulous move or something where can be done, it's normal to be done. See? So, you know Able Boss, right? You know Able Boss. Everybody know Able Boss. Comedian, you know what I mean? On TikTok. I move around and I do him things. See, get married and you know Able Boss. And people, I swear to you, over TikTok you can beg for animal, lion and all these things and them come with value. You know what I mean? Where you can go draw a piece of money and it send to your PayPal and all these things, People send a rose, people send a cat, people send a cat, people send a rat. All sorts of things going over there. So it's not alleged. This is what he did. Seeing? Meet a woman on TikTok. You know how social media platforms there. Instagram, Facebook, the whole of them. Facebook worse. You have to know who you meet, who you talk with over there. Right? So he met someone on TikTok, yes? They don't know the life them ever at, so be a laughing, be a joy scream, a tap up and one whole of things are going. Him start associate himself. You know how women stay. Once them like the thing and them like how the thing stay, what's a overseas woman and them something there. Them generous. So once you beg them piece of food, them gonna send you and them don't send a rose and not send a race and nothing for them send you just money like that because them just rate you and like you and all these things. Only for hear said this man get up one day, I don't know. Send picture of him anal. Zin to this woman. To this woman, And you know how the world set up. We don't know we don't know when him send this thing here. Zane, we don't know when him send this thing here, but it pop out and all my people. It pop out. And as a celebrity, comedian, influencer in Jamaica, boy, wrong up. You want to tell me if that right? Comment, like, and share my people. If you're new over here, it would be nice if you hit that Dancehall Reggae Vibes. Yeah, notification bell. You see me I say? So, more you to know me if it correct. More you to tell me if it correct. You meet this woman, she'll help you financially and she'll get some support and them something there, whatever. If she'll get support, you suppose you can save a little piece of change and do what you do. Or you send picture to this woman and I show her your ass and your anal and all these things. You see what I say? It's not a good look at all, bro.
I don't understand it. People go like he's nobody. Can't sleep through it.
And that I'm come. Oh God.
It's not a good look at all, bro. It's not a good look at all. It's not a good look. Saying better she fly in come a Jamaica and Yana go through the process of, and then in the moment she might see and ask you why you look sir, why you stay so. And then people, me no know, shaky bad people, shaky bad cause you come out now and tell the world say the reason why you do it is because you're sick for your bottom part or something for you to say assurance they send money for help you buy Medicare. Come on, brother, anybody buy that and believe that? You and them are the same damn thing. Yeah, you and them is the same thing. So, people like that are going, you know, and we have to keep you up to date with what go on around here. You see me and say, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, beer fights, beer fun, beer things, must be beer facts, feet leave, beer shocks. If you can repeat that, just link with. If you can repeat what I just say something in the comment. Seeing? Yep, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear. Watching it every Friday, we give you something, you know. Every Friday, we give you something. So all you have to do is subscribe to get notified. You see me I say? Yeah, man, you get a shirt from reggaevibeswear.com. Yeah? Yeah, my people, just subscribe, like, share the video. You don't know beer vibes, you hear my talk.